This is really boring. What are we gonna do today?
Maybe we can climb up the holy church.
I think you mean the very unstable church.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, whee!
That's a big church, dude.
Down, down, down. Wow, down, now. Yeah, I agree. But it's so high, so I feel a little scared. So maybe you can start to climb?
Okay. Douchebag.
I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Nothing, just good luck.
Okay, thanks, you too.
It's
you
not
up?
so high here. Come on.
Okay, I'm coming. Well, that's really high, but no, probably not. Whoa, it wasn't so dangerous up here. It was kind of cool. Whoa! Oh my God! Are you cool? Are you cool?
Yeah.
Oh my God, are we gonna get down now? It destroyed a little bit. You just don't say anything today.
Okay. But I don't care if you. I will jump.
What are you doing? No, are you okay? Oh no! Oh no! What are you doing? Oh no! Wow!
Finally home.
I knew I shouldn't listen to you, douchebag.
Yeah, you're an idiot.
Well, thanks for that.
No problem, dude.